S. Sukum Miran Jamir, Honorable Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, on his historic visit to the newly created Saminyu district. Honorable Sir, your visit today marks a significant milestone for our community as we have the honor of hosting you, a leader whose vision and dedication have inspired many. Sir, your presence here today is a testament to your unwavering commitment to the development and progress of our district. It symbolizes your support and recognition of the aspirations and dreams of the Rengma people. We are deeply grateful for your visit, which has uplifted our spirit and instilled a renewed sense of hope and confidence in our future. It is particularly noteworthy that you are the first member of Parliament from Nagaland to visit Saminyu. This maiden visit has created another chapter in our history, one that will be recorded in gold, as your presence has left an indelible mark on the life of the Rengma people. It may be pertinent to mention here that despite over half a century since the statehood of Nagaland, as you have seen Saminyu today, no significant infrastructure development program has been implemented, nor has a single project or scheme under MP-led have been carried out in Saminyu district, which was formerly Saminyu Soptic. During the tenure of your predecessor's time, it was not. Thus, the Rengmas have been deprived and unable to keep pace with the progress and development of other districts for so long. Taking the opportunity of your historic visit today, we earnestly request you to extend financial assistance under MP-LEDs as an entry point development program by sanctioning for construction of the Rengma Boho Community Hall in Saminyu Town during 2024-25 fiscal year. Furthermore, with Saminyu being declared a historical district, we pray that the newly created district be made an aspirational district to continue making history. Some of the iconic projects proposed for the 2024-25 fiscal year include the construction of Rengma CSO Mini Secretariat and the establishment of Legislators Park, which has been recommended by the DPDB Saminyu for inclusion in the state priority list. We humbly request your esteemed office to extend your support and recommendation to facilitate the project through the relevant ministry. As you are aware, the Rengma community has been lagging behind in one of the most deprived tribes in terms of employment, social and economic development. We firmly believe that during your tenure as an MP, you will prioritize the Rengma tribe in your development program and ensure sustainable progress for the Rengma community while implementing the yearly development program under your MP legs.
I'm very proud on behalf of the Rengma youths particularly congratulate my respected sir and his entourage, and we pray and believe that your tenure, 5 years tenure in Delhi will be fruitful and beneficial for the Naga people. Sir, on behalf of the youths, as we are all aware, Naga society there will be more than 60% of the population to youth as the present state government under their dispensation. Today youth empowerment la kutha koi lage keen to, in reality, not undermining and nor condemning the government of the day. However, as a youth, what I youth empowerment la kotha koi thake kintu etu practically was na nai man dakhe. Etu nimide as being the MP, lone MP from our state, etu youth kan laga empowered koribole laga policies kan nalibi schemes kan do available thakile do etu alina youth kan ki bishi empowered korile do bishi kushi pabo hoina etu jane di ase.
Sir, we give you this Rema Hoho spirit and thou the sign of to lead Naga Hoho and Naga Solution. And we support you, great leader, as a honorable member of Parliament, Government of India. Sir, when you go home, please remember your youngest brother, who is Mr. Rema.
Hoho, the youth leaders, church leaders, it was so miligina, sesukan miligina kam nukule money, we cannot expect that any development in any district of our state. Situation berahi nagaute. Situation beradakan ki panti loise. Ama kiman bal सबसे पालोला leader pachigina patai dilebi taki chaigina itu सबसे पालोला leader भी taki panti loise. तो amakan pabna misna काम करूँ न पढ़ो किले मनी state government तो problem di face करना है ताइगन government amakan सबसे पालोला elected member pada dia tu भी ताइगन लगा एक ता umbrella di घुमाई जैसे 60 मनुदो होले opposition less होगो opposition less government होगो लगे 60 kan to ektai hobol lage mani tai kan public karone karman biya gam gurilebi aro tiki gina itu nohoi golebi hoi hobol lage hoi itu biya gam gurase olebi tuki pal gubi pal guriase ina hobol karone opposition less amar naga mano amila constituency itu development tu aha nai ho kile minister apni itu press kole kalibra taigan ki reject kuro itu la apna koi lagi kina itia situation di sob 60 ml itu kurina chance amang la koban nanta to itu ase taigan law maker ase policy maker ase taigan nabanale amang purbo na parbo polibi taigan garoni amar bra mla pada tia taibi all of sans logina oh amila public itu kota online ase ami dadi itu kiba to ko parabo lagi ko koigina ko bolita led by our whole pra logina amila district itu lagi ami district itu bi lagi itu kile kuri dian nai itu kuri divina education chale iku na pa polbi with the understanding and the positive approach, ever awas oleh boleh ijib nomor ada halal berbola. To itu amagam pra olop cui nabanan le mani, amagan saya pra tunga olah boleh nedile mani. Iki pra development move kurili. Don't expect in 5 years. Nabahu. Itu pra amagan hoho kan, women leaders kan, youth leaders kan, amagan itu olop miligina. District itu lagi ho, itu bra itu tu kuri divina, kogina. Solonda manukan tu taigan ase, polisi bi rules bi tayang banabo. Polibi movement to push up the government, the requirements of the public to le amar kogo president baruna amagani push up. Otherwise, the news district to amagan papanis na kuruna. Our party. the Congress party led by our working president, they have put me a suggestion that we need to have a the development monitoring group, a development monitoring committee from the Congress party and all the districts. And that will be headed by your SEC president and some member will be there. And that is, ito monitoring committee to youth bhi takibo tadi aro amang mahila party bhi takibo. Taigan apne kan logo wisdom loi logo, oho kan logo, CSO kan logo. Taigan bhi ito ita side dibo. Taigan laga committee pra administration district administration pra bhi apne kan logo mili kina ito Taigan board school. Ami Taigan ki huti se why kile itu lagi. I also realize centrally sponsored scheme, state laga scheme kiman aya se, town council, especially centrally sponsored scheme kiman ayibo, yadi district di, I may be the chairman or I may be the member. As by the virtue of a MP. Lok Sabha MP, ahibo. Itu time di Congress Development Committee kan do seminyu laga itu public takisile panai itu bi sanction naisile ada rasa di harai jaise itu kan sob taikan monitor kore. Ami kita yati ahibo ami district administration logo loigina amar hogo kan logo hat milegina itu seminyu laga se kile dibo parane. Itu kucese, itu kile, itu tianai. Town council laga iman sanction ase, councilor ka kile itu use kurane. Kile town council majuti partially di kurase. Itu sob ami. Polibi kobole, ami tu ekta mission ni ase. Chips to apne kan hali dibo lagi ami ki. Apne kan bra ki feeding nukurle mani, seminu district ki week kurase, ki harai ase. Itu nijangi kami. Itu pura Congress Committee, Development Committee also will be alert. At the same time, our CSO headed by OHO President also should be on the pipeline. Ina bring na jale mani, semiyu itu pura amat develop.